Why does your scanner show the P004B engine code? What does it mean? P004B is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger or supercharger boost control B circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM has detected a problem with the signal from the boost control solenoid that regulates the turbo or supercharger. The B indicates a specific circuit within the control system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring issues. Faulty boost control solenoid. Failed turbocharger or supercharger. Stuck wastegate. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Jaguar and Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.